A man who refuses to acknowledge that cheating is a problem in the male community is a red flag. Because growth comes from self-awareness. It also comes from the awareness of the community in which you exist. As men, we have a cheating problem. It's not something that you must be delusional about. But you find men who have not outgrown the emotionalism. When you speak about something like this, they personalize the problem. It's not about you, my brother. Cheating is a problem in the male community, and it sabotages our growth. A lot of men would be far in life if they were not cheating. But when we mess around with women, when we sleep with multiple women, we hurt the women that we love, our families, and so many men are disadvantaged because they wasted so much of their time chasing the skirt. It's a problem in the male community. Nobody's saying you are evil. Nobody's saying you are going to hell. We are just saying, as men, we tend to have this edge that overpowers us from time to time. And we tend to want to fulfill ourselves with women's bodies. That is a challenge that we have. We are not saying you are the devil's son. Nobody's saying that. There is no need to be denying something that you know that is true of our community. Nobody's saying you are evil. Sometimes arrest the emotionalism, my brother. It's like a woman who refuses to acknowledge that women have an accountability problem. Women struggle with that. And so many of our sisters are outgrowing that challenge. It's something they have to outgrow. A lot of our sisters don't want to be held accountable. They would rather be triggered, angry, upset, instead of apologizing and saying, you know what, I messed up, my love. And we cannot fix our community if we are refusing to be self-aware, if you are refusing to acknowledge that all of us, we have a duty to do a 360 growth, to outgrow some of these challenges. Life is a journey. God is a humbling man, that he made life in such a way that we will always have something to work on. But if you are refusing to acknowledge that as men, we have a cheating problem, my brother, you are lying to yourself, because deep down you know. If we were to take any man and say, let's put together all your exes and count how many times were you wounded in those relationships and how many women did you wound, you will find that most men have had more women than they've been had. But you find a man who wants to deny, fight, my brother, you are not helping us solve the problem. You are becoming part of the problem. How are you going to protect someone that you love from these edges that you have because you are a man if you are refusing to acknowledge that they exist? How is a woman going to protect her man from her emotional outburst or from her disrespect or rudeness if she's refusing to acknowledge that sometimes she doesn't want to be held accountable? How? As men, we have a cheating problem. It's something that we need to overcome. It sabotages our growth. A lot of men would be far in life, but money was wasted chasing women. I don't say anything to impress women, and I don't say anything to impress men. I say whatever I want to say. You can be upset all you like. I don't care. I'm sorry.